Hello, welcome to Easy to Learn. In this video, you will learn how to restore car windows plastic rims that was damaged by the sun. Step 1. Apply masking tape. Step 2. Get 1200 grit sandpaper and any oil you have. Apply oil on sandpaper and start sanding the plastic seal. Don't push hard on sandpaper, sand gently. Wipe off the oil and check the results. Apply oil on sandpaper and sand the plastic seal again until it is clean, without defects. Step 3. Clean oil with mineral turpentine or alcohol. Step 4. Waxing plastic seals with any car wax. Then, wipe out the wax after 10 minutes. Here is the final results. If you liked this video and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe to my channel for more detailed video tutorials.